I am starting out my weekend vlog right now.
Naturally Kailz.
So, yeah. Yeah. Sit up. Today is Friday and I just finished working. I look like absolute trash right now. Like, you're all cool, man. Anyways, yeah, just basically finished working. It's been raining all day. I wanted to go, you know, get myself fixed up, but I might have to do that tomorrow. I should be going out tomorrow night, which will be Saturday, so hopefully I can vlog that. Should be going somewhere on Sunday as well. I don't really do weekend vlogs, but here we are. I'm just trying something, you know. I'm trying not to box myself in. So I just basically finished working for the day. I worked from home today and my internet was shit, but I still got stuff done, so I'm grateful. I need to take a break, so this is me taking a break. Need to get something to eat. I'm not super hungry, but I'm going to be hungry later, so I definitely want to get something to eat. And I probably should wash my hair tonight. Maybe I should wash my hair, because let me show them. Yeah, see that? Yeah. Oh no, but don't judge me. If I'm missing anything, I'll come back in between whatever I'm doing. I think that's it, and I will see y'all. Yeah, have dishes for wash up. I need to call my mother. I'm going to try to make this weekend vlog interesting without removing the authenticity. Like, I'm not gonna go out of my way to make it, you know, but I'm going to try to enhance this weekend vlog. This is a topic I need to talk about, but I'll probably do it tomorrow. For the life of me, after I'm done working and I work on a computer and a phone for like 8 hours of the day, by the time I'm done, I don't want to see a computer screen. And so every time it's time for me to edit a vlog or a video, my eyes just start burning me even more. And I have a blue light glasses, which is supposed to help, and it does help, but it's still really crazy to me. So I don't know. Let me know what's your strategy if you do editing or you're a YouTuber. Let me know how you guys edit. Anyways, enough talking. Like, I'm not tired. Yeah, we'll catch up. It's not that I don't want you. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I'm watching football, y'all.
Taking pictures in my mind. Got the sun in my hair, blue in your eyes. I could lay here all my life. Time moves slowly, green goes from my eyes. I can't get enough of you, baby, it's the love for me. Said that it's the me for you. You know how to make me feel pretty when you say you need me, love. Never felt so free, no. I keep it on lock for you. I'ma keep it slide for you. All my exes locked for you. Got plans, I'ma drop for you. There's no need to choose, nothing I wouldn't do. So I'ma keep it locked for you. All of this for you. To the bay at night for ya. Anything to get a little time with you. Haven't felt like this in a while. You really know how to make a girl smile. Giving you time is more than see me. Oh, you make love and you easy take. Nothing for me to complete you, baby. Ooh, and I usually keep to myself, but you get me out of my shell, and I knew right the moment I fell for you. I keep it on lock for you. I'ma keep it slide for you. All my exes blocked for you. Got plans, I'ma drop for you. There's no need to choose. Nothing I wouldn't do. So I'ma keep it locked for you. All of this for you. I keep it on lock for you. I'ma keep it slide for you. All my exes blocked for you. Got plans, I'ma drop for you. There's no need to choose. Nothing I wouldn't do. So I'ma keep it locked for you. All of this for you. I'ma keep it slide for you. All my exes blocked for you. Got plans, I'ma drop for you. There's no need to choose. Nothing I wouldn't do. So I'ma keep it locked for you. All of this for you. All of this for you.
Good, go. So I made it back home, got ready, ate something, and I'm going back out the house now. People who do this vlog thing every week, thumbs up to y'all, cause whew. So I think I'm officially ready to go. This is like the furthest I can get. I'm trying to give you a view of my outfit. It's a little close in here, but once I get there, I think I will vlog a little bit more. So I just put my hair in one. I managed to put on lashes. Me, where can't do lashes. Them don't look so good, so I'm don't look on it close up. This is the look. I'm actually going to an event called Plaza, something like that. So yeah, I should have been ready a long time ago. We won't discuss the time, but I'm going now and I'm gonna have a good time. So I will see you guys. Hopefully I can vlog a little bit there. So see you guys soon.
Flawless, I celebrate like Thanksgiving. I'm living. Yeah.
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 on my iron. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. Let me hide, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling me. Starting to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane. My mind, running to the other side, and it's time to leave my life. And it tried to take me out, tell you what I need. I really need a I really need a different mind now. I really need a I need to free my mind now. I really need a I really need a different mind now. I really need mind now.
Let's get on the as my way take a look over the ground. Mr. Mickey Mouse, I listen to Wonderland. Girl, I come and talk about that she had on the last time I check. What's the me at? Sing your song. You understand me? Stop it right there, son.
First, the boy, them a chase. Them start a war with them can't handle. No gunshot or a run boy. I hear this man, Grand spell line up the game. Oh, I want them feel like it's too tough for me. President.
But I ain't got that wife, you can't get me no more, and I can't say you can't drive me crazy. I ain't on the
this. Watch out. Cause maybe it is obvious that I'm in love with you. Back here later. Book up general, listen, outside. Pull up, pull up, pull up. One more song for you girls.